Hello, my dear students. Today we will start with secretarial practice. In that, we'll start with topic number 8, company meetings part 2. Today, we will discuss on directors meeting. You already know that types of meeting, we have three different types of meeting: shareholders meeting, directors meeting, and creditors meeting. So, in directors meeting, we have two types: board meeting and committee meeting. So dear students, what is directors meeting? Meeting is nothing but, you all know that directors are the elected representative of the shareholders and they are responsible for day-to-day management of the company. Clear? So directors meetings are arranged to discuss on policy matters and to take decisions relating to the management of the company. As I told you that directors meeting is divided into two parts. Number one is board meeting and other is committee meeting. First we will discuss board meeting. So what is board meeting? Board meeting is nothing but it is a meeting of board of directors, and the board of directors can exercise their powers collectively through the board meeting. That means if any decisions they have to take, they have to arrange a board meeting. Clear? Then what are the legal provisions regarding board meeting? Number one point, for board meeting, who is the proper person to convene this meeting? So chairman of the board is the proper authority to call the board meeting. Clear? Then next we can see number of board meeting. So dear students, the first board meeting of the board of directors will be kept within 30 days from the date of incorporation. That means when the company is registered, so when the date of its incorporation, within 30 days the company has to take first board meeting. Then what about subsequent board meeting? Every company shall hold minimum 4 meetings every year. That means in a year we have to keep 4 board meetings, right? And the gap between the two meetings should not be more than 120 days. The next we can see, in case of one person company, or small company or dormant company, the board of directors should be conducted at least one meeting in each half of calendar year, and the gap between the two meetings should not be less than 90 days. Then dear students, next we can see virtual meeting. Right. So what is virtual meeting? Here the board of directors, basically the board of directors may conduct meeting personally or through video conferencing or other audio visual means. The meeting should be capable of recording and recognizing the participation of the directors. Right. So here the central government shall specify the certain matters that cannot be dealt through video conferencing or other audio visual means. The next we can see notice. Right. Here the notice of every board meeting must be given to every director at least 7 days before the meeting at his address. In case of annual general meeting, the notice period is of 21 days. But in case of board meeting, here the notice period is of at least 7 days. Then the notice is sent along with the agenda. The notice shall be sent by hand delivery or by post or electronic means. And every officer whose duty is to give notice fails to do so shall be liable to pay rupees 25,000. That means if in case the officer fail to give notice, right, to conduct the meeting, then in this case he will be charged a penalty of rupees 25,000. The next is quorum, right? So even in board meeting also we will check the quorum, right? So as per the Companies Act, the quorum for the board meeting is 1/3 of the total number of directors or 2 directors, whichever is higher. That will be termed as a quorum. Then next is adjournment of meeting. That means postponement of meeting. The meeting of board can be postponed. If the required quorum is not present, then at the time the meeting has to be postponed at the day, time, on the same day, time and place in the next week. Then this was board meeting. The next we will see committee meeting. Right. So dear students, what is committee meeting? As per the articles of association, what the board of directors will do, the board of directors will appoint small committees, right, to discuss various matters or problems of the company. For example, we have audit committee, then next is transfer of share committee, then share allotment committee, inquiry committee, etc. Right, these are the examples of committees. Then if the meeting of such committees are called, that is known as committee meeting. Then secretary assists the committee and maintains separate minute book for recording the proceedings of committee meeting. So that's all, my dear students, what we have learned. Today we have learned directors meeting. Then directors meeting is divided into two parts: board meeting and committee meeting. Thank you.